Hello everybody, Dave, Soul Size here down here at PG Ford Supercentre. We got a fresh trade here, came in. Jeep Wrangler Sport. 4-wheel drive, 3.8 liter V6 engine, really rare. 2011, like I said, trail rated 4-wheel drive. For those of you that like to go in the backcountry and do some exploring, this is your unit. Now this one here, being the Sport, means it comes with AC, cruise control, and tilt. All right, you take a look inside here. You got a real 4-wheel drive that Jeep lovers have come to love. Shift on the fly, 4-high, manual mode transfer case, right? Automatic transmission. And also this one here, fresh trade, I'm told, comes with a soft top as well. So we don't have a price on it yet, but I guarantee you it will be a good one. Give me a call for more info. Dave, 250-305-5094 for more info. See you later.